how to let your phone contact find you on Snapchat. So if you have series of friends on Snapchat and now you want them to be able to find you on Snapchat using your phone number, then these are the steps you need to take. First, you need to go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Once opened, click on the Bitmoji at the top left. Click on the settings G icon at the top right. Locate and click on mobile number. Now if you see your mobile number, under mobile number, go ahead and check let other find me using my mobile number. Hit the back button. Then, while on the main Snapchat settings page, scroll down until you get to contact syncing. Click on it. Then make sure you see set contact share with Snapchat enabled. So after that, go back to your phone home page. On the home page, go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down until you get to apps, and now under apps, locate the Snapchat application from the list. You can easily go ahead and then search for Snapchat. Click on it. Now click on permission. Under permission, make sure contact and account permission is enabled. And then you are good. And henceforth, your friends and family will be able to find you on Snapchat using your phone contact. So that's exactly what you need to do. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.